Most people think their credit score drops because of one big mistake. But the truth is, your score is being judged every single month, and the number one thing the credit bureaus care about, your payment history. Today I'm breaking down why this one factor controls 35% of your entire credit score, and how to use it to your advantage. Let's start with the obvious question. Why does payment history matter so much? Because lenders don't care how much money you make, they care how reliable you are. Think of it like this. If you loaned someone $100 and they paid you back on time every month, you'd trust them, right? But if they kept paying late or skipping payments, you'd think twice before lending again. That's exactly how banks think. Payment history tells them, do you pay on time? Do you pay consistently? Can they trust you with more money? It's basically your financial reputation. Now here's where it gets real. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, the largest chunk of all 5 credit factors, and it's not just about whether you paid or didn't pay. The bureaus look at how many payments you've made, how many were late, how late they were, 30, 60, 90, 120 days, how often you fall behind, how recently it happened. A single 30-day late payment can drop your score 60 to 110 points depending on where you started, but a 90-day late, that can haunt your score for years. Here's something most people never hear. Your score doesn't care about the amount you were late on, it cares about the pattern. You could be late on a $20 minimum payment and take the same hit as someone late on a $500 payment. Why? Because the bureaus aren't judging the dollar amount, they're judging your reliability. And here's the twist. Even one late payment can stay on your report for 7 years. But the good news? Its impact fades over time as you build new positive history. Okay, so how do you protect this part of your score? Here are the easiest ways. Turn on autopay for at least the minimum payment. Set reminders 3 to 5 days before due dates. Keep a small buffer in your checking account so autopay never bounces. If you're struggling, call your lender. Many offer hardship programs that prevent late marks. Never ignore a bill, even if you can't pay in full. A minimum payment is better than a late payment. If you already have late payments on your report, don't panic. You have options. You can request a goodwill adjustment if you've been a good customer, dispute inaccurate late payments, catch up and stay consistent. New positive history outweighs old mistakes. Use autopay to prevent future issues. Remember, lenders care more about your current behavior than your past mistakes. So now you know why payment history is the biggest part of your credit score, and how to protect it. If you want a deeper breakdown of the other 4 credit factors, or you want help building your credit step by step, check out the next video on my channel. And if this helped you, drop a comment telling me the one thing you're going to do differently with your credit starting today.